Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is Friday, December 11th. Today is our Shine Bright Like a Light. Light up your wardrobe with holiday lights, glitter, tinsel, light up necklaces, etc. We hope to see you out there with your lights on, your Christmas decorations, supporting our 12 days of Christmas. Don't forget, on Monday is our ugly sweater day. Wear your ugliest sweater on Monday, okay? Also, do not forget the deadline to apply for ECHS and CTHS is January the 8th. All right, I know you've seen these slides several times, but whenever you come back from the break, it's going to be a really quick turnaround. Y'all come back on the 6th, and these are due, the deadline to apply is on the 8th. All right, January 8th is the deadline to apply to CTHS and ECHS. Don't forget the library. There's a lot of overdue books that have really piled up. They're still missing books from last year. So you 8th graders, you might still have books from whenever you were in 7th grade. Need to stay off the naughty list and bring those books back where they belong. All right. I think that's it for our announcements today. Actually, there is one more thing. A lot of you guys walking around are having issues. We're wearing hoods in the building when we shouldn't be. All right, it's become a big problem, us wearing hoods, do-rags, beanies, hats. If it's a day wherever we can wear hats, we can wear hoods and things like that. It's one of our 12 days of Christmas and it's acceptable that day, that's fine. But every other day, we are not going to be wearing hoods. We're not going to be wearing hats, beanies, and do-rags. We're going to start taking up everything that you have like that. We're going to take up your hoodie. We'll give it back to you at the end of the day. We're going to take up your beanie. We're going to take up your do-rag. So to avoid losing those things, let's try not to wear them in the building, okay? That's it for today. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.